I am Dr. Kuldeep Jain, Director KJIVF and Laparoscopy Center, Delhi, and your Vice President candidate, North Zone Foxy. On the occasion of this Teachers' Day, I thank all my teachers, my patients, and my friends who have taught me the art and science of IVF. I am especially thankful and pay my tribute to my late Professor S.C. Saxena, who actually taught me ABC of infertility. I am also thankful to EVA division of MCure for providing me this platform to pay my gratitude to all my teachers. Thank you very much.
Hi, good morning. I am Dr. Kavita Bapat from Bapat Hospital, Indore. I am a gynec surgeon and a vaginal surgeon especially. I have reached to this level today is because of my teachers. My teacher, I like to speak about my teacher, Professor Perrin Oliai. She was my mentor, head of the department, Gajraraja Medical College, and she was highly professional, epitome of humanity, and such a lovely and beautiful person. Today, at the eve of Teachers' Day, I just like to say thanks as well as all gratitude for her. And the most important is I also like to thank MCure for giving me the platform to talk about it. Thank you so much.
गुरु गोविंद दो मिले काखे लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो मिलाए. A very happy Teachers' Day, and on this day I would like to express my gratitude to all the teachers who have contributed to making me and let me become what I have become today. Especially I started my ART journey by seeing Dr. Indira Hinduja and Dr. Kusum Zaveri. And from then on, I got attracted to this field of ART. On this way, I met so many great teachers, and I could learn so many things from each one of them. So specifically, I would like to thank Dr. Rishma Pai, Dr. H.D. Pai, Dr. Nandita Pal Shetkar, Dr. Narendra Malhotra, Dr. Jaideep Malhotra, Dr. Sonia Malik, Dr. Dhore Patil, and the list is endless because there are so many whom I have learned from. So each one of you whom I have learned from is my teacher, and I would like to express my gratitude to you today on this platform, which has been given to me by IVA, the MCure division. Thank you, MCure. Thank you, IVA. I have a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mamta Dighe, Director Zenith Advanced Fertility Center, Pune. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I'd like to give a huge shout out and express my gratitude to all my teachers, right from my parents, my school teachers, college and medical education teachers. They say that a teacher affects eternity. He never knows where his influence will stop. This is so true because everything that a teacher teaches you stays with you for an entire lifetime. I'd like to especially express my gratitude to my teachers during my MD education, Dr. Sarogi, Dr. Banita Raut, and especially my teacher, guide, mentor, Dr. Kamini Rao, who has been such an influential factor in my life. Thank you so very much.
Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Amit Shah, Director and Chief of APS Nursing Home and IVF Center located at Hadapsar, Pune. I am a laparoscopic surgeon and an ART consultant. I would like to thank all my teachers from Standard 1 to my postgraduate at VMMC Solapur, all of whom have molded my career. I would specifically like to thank my head of unit, Dr. Sadesai Madam, my PG guide, Dr. Kurdukar sir, and my head of unit, Dr. Mrs. Munot Madam, all of whom are responsible for grooming my career, for honing my skills, and because of them, today I am what I am. On the eve of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank all of them, and I would like to also express my sincere gratitude towards them. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Team MCure for giving me the platform to express myself. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Teachers' Day is a wonderful occasion to remember your teachers and thank them for making you what you are. Today, I'm not going to talk about my conventional teachers in my school and college, because we keep thanking them day in, day out. Today, I'm going to talk about my teachers in my professional life. I start by talking about Dr. Mamta Pradhan. She instilled a sense of confidence in me, and she told me that she believed that I could achieve what I wanted to achieve. Thank you, madam. Dr. Shonji Mukherjee initially taught me how to think and act rationally. Mr. P.L. Mehta, my admin head, he taught me how to manage and run a team. I shall forever be indebted to him. And then in my professional life, Dr. Manish Banker and all my colleagues in Nova IVF Fertility, I thank you all for teaching me how to practice the correct way, the ethical way, and how to communicate properly and effectively to your patients. I thank MCure EVA Division for allowing me to talk to you today and to thank my mentors on this occasion of Teachers' Day.
Hello, I am Dr. Sujoy Dasgupta, consultant in reproductive medicine in Genome Fertility Center, Kolkata. I feel I've been able to reach at this stage of my career only because of my teachers. So on this eve of Teachers' Day, I express my gratitude to all of them. But in particular, I'd like to mention my teacher, a renowned gynecologist of Kolkata, Dr. Purbita Dam, who was not only my teacher, but she was friend, philosopher, and guide. Apart from her excellent clinical skill and updated knowledge, she was an excellent human being, and she always used to stand by us whenever we needed. Unfortunately, she left us in untimely manner few months ago. We all miss her. So I think wherever she is today, she is able to listen to me. So I'd like to thank the IFA division of MCure for giving me this opportunity to express myself. Thank you very much.